Hey, welcome back. This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And no, I did not take my new Tecsun H-501X radio apart. I found this on a site that I use a lot, which is SWLING. And here's an internal picture. And we can click on this, get a little better picture. And what you notice here, there's 4 speakers, not just 2, but 4 speakers. No wonder the sound is so good. And look at all these circuit boards. It's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then a couple little right here connectors. And then look at all these shielded cans, or areas with shielding over them. It's like they did a pretty good job of this. Oh my gosh, look at the size of that antenna, AM antenna. Now this radio is about 10 inches wide. So this has got to be at least 6 inches. And there's a double section there. Wow. Pretty nice. No, I'm not going to open mine. Have a great day. Bye-bye.